Says couples under siege. Having one of the country's most sought-after bachelors as her boyfriend is just icing on the cake for Casey. The TV host actress shares how she's been blessed even during the start of the year.
I feel grateful. Right now, wala akong ibang masasabi kung hindi. Thankful ako kasi binibigyan pa rin ako ng chance na to continue working at the same time na makatrabaho yung ibang mga actors dito na talagang nakakasundo ko, na talagang magagaling sa ginagawa nila. So, the first after nung SQ siguro, apart from the buzz, merong Star Magic concert tour na sa States. So, makakabalik ako sa Amerika para makita ulit yung mga kapamilya natin noon. And more than that, kasama ko yung artists ng Star Magic. Yung mga kaibigan ko rin dito, sina Sam, sina Angelica, Bea, Zanjo, John Lloyd.
Working on a new project with another heartthrob may create controversies and problems with other couples, but not in this case. Casey shares why Piolo never has to worry about her and her new leading man, Sam Milby.
Nakakatawa kasi best friends kami. So parang natatawa kami sa mga yung ibang eksena na parang kaya ba natin gawin yun? At the same time, alam nyo, nag-grow na rin kasi ako siguro na sa 3 taon na yung after ko bumalik, ang dami ko na rin na kilala, na experience, natutunan. So, magiging different talaga tong pelikula. And I'm looking forward to being disciplined, taught, and directed by Direk Cathy Garcia Molina, na talagang wow, as in rin-respeto ko talaga. And at the same time, yung storya kasi parang napakaganda, pwede siyang mangyari sa kahit na sinong tao.
As an added kilig bonus, Casey shares with Cinema News her sentiments, why she opened up to the public about she and Piolo spent their first Valentine's as a couple.
I like to keep things simple and I'm not used to, siguro bilang kasi talk show host, gusto ko rin naman na ma-experience ng mga tao yung mga na-experience ko para maramdaman naman nila na gusto kong makilala nila ako. But at the same time, syempre, first time ko kasi na nasa isang relationship na alam ng taong nasa relationship ako. Kasi usually, ang nangyayari, break na. Tapos tsaka nila nalaman na, ay, sila pala. It's the first time that we're sharing it kahit papano, na in a way, celebrating it, di ba? Kasi ang haba rin ng proseso. And it's hard for me na talagang pinipili ko talaga kung ano yung mga parts na pwede kong i-share. Kasi ayoko naman masyadong i-expose lahat-lahat.
We all love a good party, right? And Cinema News was invited to the 2 big and hip birthday bashes, both celebrated on the